In this video, I'm going to show you where to get a Shopify promo code. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser and I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar box, I'm going to type in Shopify promo codes. And then I'm going to hit search, and then we'll be brought to the Google search results. And if we scroll down here, we've got third-party sites offering different promo codes. So we've got coupon follow we can check out, 15% off in September 2024. If we keep scrolling down, we've got Simply codes we can check out. We've got Real Tell Me Not. So if we want to use any one of these sites, we can, for example, coupon follow. So you can check out their promo codes, coupon codes here. So to activate it, just simply click on the coupon code and copy and paste this code at the checkout section of Shopify to enjoy $50 off your order. These codes do expire and change daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. And for whatever reason, if these codes don't work, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm a partner with Shopify, so I will receive affiliate income. So I'm going to drop a link below where you can sign up to Shopify free for 3 days, and then you get your first month for $1. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.